Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fast forward or rewind TikTok videos. So guys, want to know how to do this? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys two easy methods on how you can fast forward or rewind TikTok videos. So guys, make sure you watch the two methods on how you can do it, especially the second method, which is way more easier. So guys, let me go over to my TikTok app right away. But before that, the first step that you have to take is to make sure that you have the updated version of TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated, and for you to get the updated version or for you to update your TikTok app, what you have to do right away is to go over to your Play Store or you go over to your App Store in case you're using an iPhone. What you have to do now, let me go over to my Play Store right away. Let me show you guys how you can update your TikTok app. Let me tap on my Play Store app since I'm using an Android phone. Let me tap on my Play Store. So guys, once your Play Store or your App Store opens up, the next step they have to take now is to search for TikTok. So let me search for TikTok right away. So guys, can see the app there. That's the second option. Let me tap on it so you see it clearly. So guys, now you can see my TikTok app is updated. If it wasn't updated, you're going to see a button right there, an option right there, which is written update. But as you can see there, my app is updated. So guys, now if yours is not updated, you're going to see where it is written updated. That place you see open is going to be replaced with updated. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on it, then to be updated. So guys, after that, now what you have to do now is to open your TikTok app. So let me tap on open to open it. So guys, now you can see I'm on my TikTok app. As you can see here, this TikTok video is playing. For me to actually fast forward or rewind this TikTok video, what I have to do now is to tap on that encircled area. You can see that encircled area there. There's an invisible line there. Once you tap on it, the invisible line will pop out. If you don't tap on it, the invisible line will not pop out. So guys, now let me tap on that encircled area so that you're going to see the invisible line. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the invisible line. You can see that slider right there. This is the slider. This is what you can use to fast forward or rewind your TikTok videos. You can see I'm taking it backward. You can see I'm taking it forward. So guys, let me take it backward now. So you see it. You can see the video has started playing from that place. If I tap on the screen now to pause the video, you're going to see that the slider will show up again. The fast forward or rewind button will show up again. Let me pause the video. So guys, can see immediately I pause the video, you can see the slider right there. You can see it. You can use it to fast forward, you can use it to rewind. So guys, can see this is the fast forward and rewind slider. You can see it. This is so easy. So guys, now let me go over to the second method, how you can actually do this. The second method is way more easier. So guys, now let me use the second method, which is way more easier. As you can see, I'm using another video. This is a dance video. So guys, now for you to actually use the second method, which is way more easier, what you have to do is to either have a long press on the right side of the screen, or you can have the long press on the left side of the screen. Let me have the long press on the right side of the screen. You can see the encircled area there. Let me have a long press. Wow guys, can see the video is fast forwarding. You can see this is so awesome. You can see what is written down below, speed ×2. That means the video is playing at the speed of ×2. So guys, can see this is how it's done. This second method is way more easier. So guys, now I've been able to show you guys how you can actually fast forward your video using two easy methods. So guys, now let me have a long press on the right hand side. You can see that encircled area. Let me have a long press, or let me tap to hold it to see if it actually fast forward or rewind. So guys, let me do that right away. So guys, now I can see it's still fast forwarding, it's still rewinding. So guys, now I can see this is so awesome. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel.